Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to look at why are your dishes coming out wet after using the dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. If you tell your dishwasher to dry your dishes, the last thing you would expect to see after a cycle is wet dishes. Poor drying could be caused by many different issues. The first thing that you will want to do is try a rinse aid, such as Jet Dry or Cascade. Rinse aids substantially improves the drying by 60 to 70% and makes the water sheet off the dishes during a cycle. If a dishwasher has an automatic rinse aid dispenser built into the door, use a liquid rinse aid. For models without a dispenser, hang a rinse aid basket or disc at the right back corner of the lower rack. This will act the same way as having a dispenser assembly for the rinse aid. Besides rinse aid, low water temperatures below 120 degrees Fahrenheit can cause this issue as well. So make sure your water temperature in the dishwasher is 120 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Always check that you are properly loading your dishwasher. Improper loading can cause dishes to not dry properly. Dishes and flatware should be properly spaced apart, and you should face soiled food surfaces to the centre of the dishwasher. Avoid placing glasses over the tines, as this interferes with both the cleaning and drying. It is also recommended to read your dishwasher manual for the proper amount of dishwasher detergent to use. Too much or too little detergent can cause issues as well. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.